Hey food lovers, ready to embark on a mouthwatering journey through America's culinary classics? Let's dive right in. First up, we have buffalo wings. These crispy, spicy delights were born in Buffalo, New York back in the 1960s. Coated in a tantalizing cayenne pepper and vinegar sauce, they're a bar snack favorite. Next, it's tater tots. These golden, crispy cylinders of grated potato are a breakfast, diner, and fast food staple. So crunchy, so good. Now let's talk hot dogs. With German and Polish roots, these sausages are a street food legend. From New York to Chicago, each region has its own twist. Apple pie, anyone? Introduced by British immigrants and perfected in America, this sweet treat is often enjoyed with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Yum! On to BBQ ribs, a true American tradition with mouth-watering regional flavors from Kansas City to North Carolina. Sticky, smoky, and oh so tender. Next up, the Reuben sandwich. This deli staple, packed with corned beef, Swiss cheese, and sauerkraut, has origins that are still debated. But who cares when it's this delicious? Biscuits and gravy, anyone? A southern classic that evolved from sawmill workers to a beloved comfort food. Flaky biscuits swimming in savory gravy, pure bliss. How about some meatloaf? This comfort food classic is a household favorite, often made with love and family recipes. Ground meat, seasoning, and a whole lot of heart. Grits are next, ground corn kernels that can be savory or sweet, often served with shrimp. A southern breakfast staple that's as versatile as it is tasty. And finally, we have the hamburger or cheeseburger. An American icon with countless variations. From gourmet to fast food, it's a dish that never disappoints. If you enjoyed this culinary trip, hit that subscribe button and leave a comment with your favorite dish. See you next time.